welcome to TT's Corner. I would like to give like a recap of stuff that's happening in Jamaica. On Tuesday, May 26, 2026, Prime Minister Andrew Holness renamed Ministry of Labor and Security building at 1F North Street after former Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller. He also made an announcement that the Western Children's Hospital down there in Montego Bay will also be named after Portia Simpson Miller. And that is a wonderful look. And I think everybody is in agreement. So that was a good gesture. We love it. We love it. And next, former MP and Miss World, Lisa Hanna, she went to see the Prime Minister and she brought some goodies to show him our newest project, and it's a skincare line called Lisa Hanna, and it was great and it was wonderful seeing how she and the Prime Minister was jovial and laughing, and it was just so nice and homey and loving and everything that's wonderful, you know. And it just felt good that they were on opposite side, you know, during politics, but they came together, and she is showing her latest endeavors and everything, and it felt so heartwarming. But and yes, guys, I have to say, but the comrades didn't like it. Didn't like it at all. A lot of them were up in arms, and they were calling Lisa a traitor. How much she's disloyal. All sort of foolery was happening. But one of the most despicable things is to see people are starting to say that Lisa Anna's son has a resemblance of Prime Minister Holin, and that means she and Prime Minister were doing hanky panky. I don't understand these people. Something as good as this lady showing her business, her entrepreneurial spirit, and they had to go with the gutter. I just, I can't. I just can't with these people. It's like they enjoy being sewer rats or something. But you know what? Enough of them. Congratulations, please. And I hope your business increases from strength to strength. Next up, sorry, Prime Minister Holness went downtown Kingston, and he spoke about revitalizing downtown Kingston and a lot of projects down there. And I can't wait to see. Oh, I can't wait to see the beauty of downtown Kingston when he's done. You know, I just can't wait. And you know what? I can't wait to go there and enjoy myself. You know, and he also went to West Kingston, zone by Rasta City. He is renovating Rasta City, and honestly, I am happy about that. You know, because West Kingston has a stigma. People keep saying nothing good comes from West Kingston, and they have and people always look down on people from West Kingston, and I am glad that he is fixing it up, and I am hoping that people start going to West Kingston and see for yourself. And I just want to let you know that there's good people in West Kingston, and there's good people that come from West Kingston. There are teachers, there are lawyers, there are doctors, there are accountants, there's nurses. There are a whole host of people come from West Kingston, and I am a proud person from West Kingston. I'm proud to say I am one of those people. So yes, I am happy. The Prime Minister went in my former community and is fixing up the place. And a couple of weeks ago, I didn't really see it on the news, so I was overwhelmed and proud. On Mother's Day, they had a marathon in Tivoli Gardens, and there were people from all walks of life, you know, that went there. And I saw a little snippet, and some people were saying in the beginning when they announced that the marathon will be in West Kingston Tivoli Gardens, they were a little scared. But when they went there, they were embraced by the people, and they were surprised of how the community looks and everything. It's not what they thought. So I am happy that they decided to go, and they wasn't scared, and scared enough to say they're not going there. And I am hoping that the marathon becomes an annual event, and that more people hears about it and go and see, because sometimes places have a reputation, and it is not all that it was made out to be. So I am happy for a lot of these happenings that's going on in Jamaica, and especially included my neighborhood, you know. So, and guys, Miss Burchell still haven't apologized, so we can just call it a day with that. So if I hear anything else that's going on, I will share it with you. God bless you.